Welcome you guys to JD's English Club. Let's practice some basic and easy English sentences. First sentence. एठी किछि बहुत भलो नाही. There is nothing great here. There is nothing great here. बस रे जिबा सहज. Going by bus is easy. Going by bus is easy. यह मोर तुमको प्रतिज्ञा. It's my promise to you. It's my promise to you. मु संपूर्ण आश्चर्य. I'm quite surprised. I'm quite surprised. यह को निजे करबा को चेष्टा करो. Try to do it yourself. Try to do it yourself. जाए कि पूरा मजा करो. Go and have full fun. Go and have full fun. मु जहा कहली भल भाबरे बुझी पारल कि? Am I clear now? Am I clear now? मोते तुमरो सहाय्य दरकार थिला. I needed your help. I needed your help. तुम यह को पुणी थरे कहबो कि? Will you say that again? Will you say that again? तुमरो किछि दूरता रखिबा उचित. You should keep some distance. You should keep some distance. गोटे प्रश्न बारंबार पचारनी. Don't ask the same question again and again. Don't ask the same question again and again. ताहा करिबारु तांको अटकाओ नाही. Don't stop him from doing that. Don't stop him from doing that. मोते यह विषय किछि भी जणा नाही. I don't know anything about it. I don't know anything about it. सबु बेला भली मु तुमको विश्वास करे. As always, I trust you. As always, I trust you. तुमे यह को जल्दी करि परिबो कि? Can you make it faster? Can you make it faster? मु आपन को विचार रे सहमत नहे. I disagree with your thinking. I disagree with your thinking. सुन कि बहुत दुख लागिला. It's very sad to hear. It's very sad to hear. एबे मु असहाय. Right now I'm helpless. Right now I'm helpless. तुम्हें तुम सीमा जानो. You know your limits. You know your limits. तुमको अधिक सतर्क रहबा आवश्यक. You need to be more alert. You need to be more alert. मोते पुणी आउ किछि कुहनी. Say nothing further to me. Say nothing further to me. तुम्हें धीरे कहबो कि? Will you speak slowly? Will you speak slowly? से एबे भी असुस्थ. She is still ill. She is still ill. तुम्हें या को शीघ्र करो. You do it quickly. You do it quickly. मो पाखकु आस एवं खोली की कथा कुह. Come to me and speak frankly. Come to me and speak frankly. मते गोटे उदाहरण दियो. Give me an example. Give me an example. से माने खराब व्यवहार करती। दे ट्रीट वेरी बैडली। दे ट्रीट वेरी बैडली। तुम्हें फरक कहब कि? विल यू टेल द डिफरेंस? विल यू टेल द डिफरेंस? एथर मु ठीक तो? Am I right this time? Am I right this time? निजकु साहाय्य करिबा भलो। It's better to help yourself. It's better to help yourself. जीवन रे केबे भी हताश हुअनी। Never get frustrated in life. Never get frustrated in life. तुम्हारा पढ़िबा को चेष्टा करबा उचित। You should try to read. You should try to read. मासरे गोटे थर हमको देखा करबा को आसु थाओ। Keep visiting us once in a month. Keep visiting us once in a month. तुम्हें यही कथा कहबा को किए? Who are you to say this? Who are you to say this? तुम्हें यही कथा को निश्चित गुप्त रख। You must keep it a secret. You must keep it a secret. किसी भी कथा को गंभीरता सहित नियनि। Don't take anything seriously. Don't take anything seriously. सबुबले यह मने रख। Always remember it. Always remember it. से एठा को हठात आसीगले। He came here suddenly. He came here suddenly. एबे मु तांको भल भाबरे जाने। Now I know her well. Now I know her well. तुम्हारा कौन होइछि? What's the matter with you? What's the matter with you? तुम्हारा कृतज्ञ हबा उचित। You should be thankful. You should be thankful. मोते असुविधारे पकेबा को चेष्टा करनी। Don't try to trouble me. Don't try to trouble me. स्वाभाविक मु यह को पसंद करिबिनी। Naturally, I will not like it. Naturally, I will not like it. तुम्हारा कौन हेउछि? What's happening to you? What's happening to you? प्रत्येक जिनिस पई मोते दोष दियोनी। Don't blame me for everything. Don't blame me for everything. काली तुम्हें ताहा संपूर्ण करिवो कि? Will you complete that tomorrow? Will you complete that tomorrow? मो अवस्था तुम्हें कल्पना करि परुछो? Can you imagine my condition? Can you imagine my condition? से आउ कहा सहित भेटिबा को चाहे। She wants to meet someone else. She wants to meet someone else. एठी मो छड़ा आउ केही नाहंती। There is no one here except me. There is no one here except me. So, thank you so much for watching, guys. Please like the video if you find it helpful and subscribe the channel if you haven't subscribed it. Thank you and take care. Keep practicing. Bye.